goal with this activity is to really work on your upper body strength. You'll loosen up the hips as well. Here's what you're gonna do. Get yourself a landmine attachment and something to elevate one of your legs on. You're gonna be in an asymmetrical stance. So what that is the stance is gonna be even. You're just gonna have one foot that's elevated. In this case, it's gonna be the left. So you don't wanna be too far forward and back, or back for that matter. So I'm gonna get in my asymmetrical stance. It's about hip width apart. Grab the landmine. It's gonna rest on the shoulders. You wanna unlock the knees. Shift your weight back so it's heavier on the heels. You're gonna take breath of air in, exhale, reach as far as you can without tipping forward, so I'm staying heavy on the heels. My body's almost going backwards as I reach, and then back down. If you wanna add a little rotation to the mix, you can reach with the opposing arm as you do it. Just like that. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.